A woman riding a scooter falls over and blames the guy behind her for no reason. He's just as confused as we are. She suddenly swerves off a straight road, hits something, then speeds away like she's trying to escape her own mistake. Classic panic move. Welcome to AG Cars, your new go-to place for exciting car moments. At the traffic light, a woman hits a scooter that was stopped, then argues angrily, saying, "Why aren't you looking?" She's blaming the other person even though it was her fault. Two women carelessly opened a car door without checking behind them, which caused a motorcyclist to crash into it. Instead of taking responsibility for their mistake, they teamed up and started blaming the rider, angrily saying, "Why don't you pay attention while driving?" It's unfair that they don't admit their fault and put all the blame on the motorcyclist. In this video, two women step onto the middle of the road, blocking the path of passing trucks. Eventually, a driver gets out, grabs one of them by the collar, and moves her aside to clear the way. Sometimes people forget that blocking the road causes big problems and inconveniences for everyone, which is really unfair. Imagine you're waiting at a traffic light and suddenly a woman parks her vehicle right in front of you, blocking your way completely. What would you do in that situation? How would you feel being stuck and unable to move because of someone else's careless action? In this video, a man and his wife block the road by parking their car in a way that a parked vehicle cannot get out. Even after being asked politely to move, they refuse to cooperate. Frustrated by the situation, the blocked driver gets out of his car and breaks one of their car's side mirrors. Many viewers say that this reaction is still not enough to deal with such disrespectful behavior. What are your thoughts? Do you think this response is justified, or should there be a different way to handle it? In this video, a woman riding a scooter stops right in the middle of the road and refuses to move, causing a traffic jam. Several cars and scooter riders are stuck behind her, but she blocks the way as if nothing is wrong. One frustrated driver gets out of his car and tries to push her scooter to the side, politely asking her to move, but she completely ignores him. No one knows exactly what was going through her mind or why she acted that way. Thankfully, a police officer shows up and finally clears the traffic. It leaves everyone wondering, what was really wrong with her? Was she confused, angry, or just being difficult on purpose? In this video, a Russian woman stops her car right in the middle of the road, blocking everyone and refusing to move. She yells aggressively at others and even curses, shouting things like, "When you buy a car, you can drive however you want." Her actions seem completely over the line. It makes you wonder, is she just panicking, emotionally overwhelmed, or doing it on purpose to provoke others? Either way, her behavior creates chaos and shows a complete lack of respect for others on the road. In this video, a woman reverses her car without checking behind and accidentally hits a parked vehicle. Instead of taking responsibility, she acts like nothing happened and starts to drive away. Another driver who saw everything honks and tells her she caused the accident. Shockingly, she gets out and starts blaming him, saying it's all his fault. She even threatens to call the police and demands that he pay for the damage. It's a clear case of someone trying to shift blame after making a mistake themselves. Let's take a closer look at what's happening here, dear viewers. In this unbelievable scene, we see a car trying to pass through a narrow neighborhood street. Out of nowhere, a woman appears and deliberately places an old car tire on one side of the road. It's almost like she's setting a challenge. If your car can squeeze through here, fine. If not, turn back. She stands her ground with full confidence, refusing to move or even explain herself. And then, in the most dramatic twist, she throws herself in front of the car just to make sure it doesn't pass. It's unclear why she acted this way. Is it about territory, frustration, or something else? What do you think about this situation? Let us know your opinion in the comments below. An elderly woman, likely over 80 years old, was crossing the street at a crosswalk when she suddenly stopped, saw a car, and began yelling, "Are you crazy or just brainless?" She marched right up to the front of the vehicle, but in reality, the driver had already noticed her from a distance and had stopped the car well in advance to let her pass safely. Still, the woman was furious and took out all her anger on the parked car, scolding it as if it had done something wrong. What do you think about this situation? Don't forget to leave your thoughts in the comments.
Не мои, кстати. Закрой окно. Поехали.
Ты чё, больная?
There was no pedestrian crossing, yet this woman stepped right onto the busy road. Because of her, several cars crashed into each other. Just look at what happened. Did she do it on purpose? Or does she simply not understand the traffic rules at all? Imagine waiting for a tow truck after an accident and two TikTok girls start dancing next to the wreck like nothing happened. Crazy how some people care more about views than real-life situations. In this video, an elderly woman walks in front of a car and suddenly throws something on the ground. It's unclear what exactly she dropped. Was it garbage? Or could it be something strange like black magic? Many people are left confused and suspicious. What do you think really happened here? Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to AG Cars for more exciting car content coming your way. Stay tuned and see you in the next ride.